In this video, I am going to continue to solve questions from past paper January 2010 C4. Yesterday we solved, in the first video yesterday we solved questions 1, 2, 3 and 5. So today I am going to solve question 4. These are from January 2010 past paper C4. So this is a vector question, and it says that this is the equation of line L1 and that is the equation of line L2. L1 and L2 intersect at point A, and the acute angle between L1 and L2 is theta. Find coordinates of A is the first question. So L1 is the equation of L1 is minus 6 plus 4 lambda, 4 minus lambda, 1 plus 3 lambda. This is equation of L1. And equation of L2 is R is equal to minus 6 plus 3 mu, 4 minus 4 mu, and minus 1 plus mu. So we have to equate the first two equations and obtain two simultaneous equations. 3 mu. So for lambda, I equate the first equation here with that one and obtain that 4 lambda minus 3 mu is equal to 0. And here let's equate the second equations. 4 minus lambda is equal to minus lambda, 4 minus 4 mu. So here minus lambda plus 4 mu is also 0. So let's put that equation there. 4 lambda minus 3 mu Let's check the question paper. And this is minus 1 there. So actually we didn't need to solve anything. Sorry about that. It is easy to see that. Sorry about that. It is easy to see that A is that point there because they have the same starting point. The coordinates of A are minus 6, 4, and minus 1. We may write it in this form as well. Sorry about that. Find cosine theta. When the question is about angles, we have to take their direction. And direction of L1 is that one. Call it U. 4 minus 1, 3. And direction of line L2 is, call it V. It is 3 minus 4, 1. And when these are the directions of lines L1 and L2. And when we talk about angles, that means we have to use the cosine rule, which is U dash V is equal to magnitude of U times magnitude of V cosine theta. And U is 4 minus 1, 3. V is 3 minus 4, 1. And magnitude of U is 4 squared plus minus 1 squared plus 3 squared under the square root. And we have 3 squared plus minus 4 squared plus 1 squared cosine theta. This is 4 times, we have a dot product here. 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 1 times minus 4 is 4. And 3 times 1 is 3. And here we have 16, 17, and 26, root 26. and we have another root 26 there, cos theta. This is 19, root 26 times root 26 is 26 cosine theta, so cosine theta is equal to 19 over 26. The point X lies on L1 where lambda is equal to 4. When lambda is equal to 4, we have to substitute 4 there. So coordinates of X are going to be 4 times 4, 16 minus 6 plus 16, 10. Put 4 there, 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. And 4 times 3, 12, minus 1 plus 12 is 11. These are the coordinates of point X. Part D, AX is equal to X second minus the first one, and coordinate of X are 10, 0, and 11. Minus coordinates of A, minus 6, 4, and minus 1. So AX is going to be 16, 4, and 12. Zero minus 4 is minus 4, okay? Show that AX is equal magnitude of AX is equal to 16 squared plus minus 4 squared plus 12 squared under the square root. Root magnitude of AX is equal to 4 root 12. And Y is on L2, YX is perpendicular to L1, and find magnitude of, let's have a Y. Let's have a quick sketch there. This is L1, call that one L2. They intersect at point A. X is on L1. This is X, and the distance between A and X is 4 root 26. We have theta there, the angle between L1 and L2. This is Y, which is on line L2, and YX is perpendicular to L1. That means we have a right triangle here. This is A, this is right triangle, this is X, and this is Y. And this is 4 root 26, and we have theta there, and call this one D. A magnitude of AY is, call it D. So cosine theta is equal to AX, magnitude of AX over D. This is 19 over 26. That is root 4 root 26 over D. So D is equal to 4 root 26 times 26 over 19. So D is 27.9. Do you have any questions? Now I am sending the answer to you by messenger. And this is the answer for question 4 from January 2010 C4. Now I am going to solve question 6 on the same past paper, January 2010, question 6, and we have its summarized form there. Here, let's read question 6. Area of a circle is increasing at a rate 1.5 centimeters squared per second. So dA over dt is equal to 1.5. It's a circle, so its area is pi r squared, and we have to know that expression dA over dt is equal to dA over dr times dr over dt. So dA over dr is equal to 2 pi r. So 1.5 is equal to 2 pi r times dr over dt. And it is given that area is 2. So pi r squared is equal to 2. That means the radius is 2 over pi square root. So substitute there because we are looking for rate of radius. 1.5 is equal to 2 pi root 2 over pi dr over dt. So dr over dt is equal to 1.5 divided by 2 pi times root 2 over pi, and dr over dt is equal to 0.299, and that's the answer for question 6. Check the answer for question 6, and we are going to carry on with question 7. Yes, I sent the answer with Messenger, WhatsApp. Now continue with question 7. Yes, question 7. Here we have the graph sketch of the curve. This is B, this is point A, x is equal to 5t squared minus 4, and y is equal to t 9 minus t squared. Find x coordinates of point A and B. To be able to find x-intercept, y has to be 0. So t 9 minus t squared is equal to 0. So either t is equal to 0 or 9 minus t squared is equal to 0. That means t squared is equal to 9, t is equal to 3, or t is equal to negative 3. When t is equal to 0, remember x is equal to 5t squared minus 4. When t is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 4. When x is equal to 5t squared minus 4, when t is equal to 3 or t is equal to minus 3, doesn't matter, x is equal to 41. So this is the x coordinate of point A, and this is the x coordinate of point B. Part A. Now, we have to find the area of the region R. This is the area, this is the region R between 0 and 3, or 0 and minus 3. So, first of all, let's find the upper part from 0 to 3, because we have to also find from 0 minus 3 to 0. But that is the top part, and the other one is going to be the bottom part, but their areas are equal. So after finding that one, by multiplying in the answer of this integration, which is y dx over dt, remember that formula from T1 to T2 gives the area of parametric equations. So A is going to be from 0 to 3, y t 9 minus t squared, dx over dt is what? If x is equal to 5, t squared minus 4, dx over dt becomes 10t, so 10t dt. So area is going to be that part, the first part there, call it A1, A1. So we have another area here called, and it is called A2, but be careful, they are equal areas. They have A1 and A2 are equal to each other. So after finding A1, to be able to find the region R, I'm going to multiply by 2. That's the only thing to do. So this is going to be from 0 to 3, 10t squared, t times 10t is 10t squared, minus 9t squared dt. Let's do a further expansion here. 90t squared minus 10t to the power of 4 dt. Do the integration here. 10t cubed over 3 minus 10t to the power of 5 divided by 5 from 0 to 3. A1 is going to be 30 times 3 cubed minus 2 times 3 to the power of 5. This is equal to 270. The total area is equal to, by using a calculator, this one is equal to 324. Put 0 there because when we substitute 0, it becomes 0. So R is equal to A1 plus A2, that area plus that area, but as I said before, A1 is equal to A2, they are equivalent areas, identical areas, so this is the total area is going to be 2 times 324, or 324 plus 324, answer is 648 unit squared. That's how we solve question 7. Send the answers again by messenger and WhatsApp. Take a minute. And now I am going to solve question 8 and finish this past paper for you. Let's finish the past paper. Let's solve the last question, which is question 8, and finish C4 January 2010. Yes, let's have a clean board, clean space to solve question 8. Here we have an integration, and we are going to use the given substitution to be able to calculate the definite integral here. Question 8, from 1 to root 2, 1 over x squared root 4 minus x squared dx, and it is given that u is equal to 2 . Let's check the substitution once more from the original paper. I copied some, yes, x is 2 cosine u. Sorry, this is x is cosine u. So let's find dx. Dx over du is equal to minus 2 sine u. Derivative of cos is minus sine. So dx is equal to minus 2 sine u du. And let's substitute there. And when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1 is equal to 2 cosine u. 1 over 2 is equal to cosine u. So u is cosine inverse 1 over 2 there. So u is equal to pi over 3. And when x is equal to root 2 is equal to 2 cosine u. Root 2 over 2 is equal to cosine u. U is equal to cosine inverse root 2 over 2. So u is equal to 4 pi over 4. So the integration is going to be, in place of 1, I am going to put pi over 3, and in place of root 2, I am going to put pi over 4. Here we have to talk about one important thing. Root over 3 is larger than root over 4. So we have to do something about that one. But first of all, this is greater than that one. So first of all, let's substitute x and dx there, which are in terms of u and du. 1 over 2 cosine u squared. And under the square root, we are going to have 4 minus x squared, which is 2 cosine u squared. And in place of dx, I am going to put that one minus 2 sine u du. Now, here we have to be very careful about that limits here. That one, the limit at the bottom must be greater than that one. So we have to change their places. How? By putting a minus sign there, I can change the places of the limits there. Because that one is greater than that one. Pi over 3 is greater than pi over 4, but we cannot do that. We have to change their places. How? By putting a minus sign there, we can change their places. So integration is going to be minus from pi over 4 to pi over 3. 1 over 4 cosine squared u, and under the square root, we are going to have 4, 1 minus cosine square u Square root of 2 is 4. I took 4's outside. And we have negative 2 sine u du there. Negative makes plus. So from pi over 4 to pi over 3, we have 2 sine u there. Remember, negative becomes plus. 1 over 4 cosine square u, and under the square root we are going to have 4. What is 1 minus cosine square u? It is sine square u du. So I am going to take that one outside of the square root sign. From pi over 4 to pi over 3, 2 sine u over 4 cosine square u. This is going to be 2 sine u du. Sine u's will cancel, 2's will cancel. This is going to be 1 over 4 from pi over 4 to pi over 3, 1 over cosine square u du, which is equal to 1 over 4 from pi over 4 to pi over 3 sec square u du. And what is the 1 over cosine square u is sec square. And what is the integration of sec square? It is tan. Tan u from pi over 3 to pi over 4. So the answer is going to be tangent pi over 3 minus tangent pi over 4. So this is going to be 1 over 4 root 3 over tangent pi over 3 is root 3 minus 1. So the answer is root 3 minus 1 over 4. And that's the answer for question 8. This is a difficult substitution question. If I were you, to have a good exercise, write this one once more and try to solve it by yourself. Then check your answer with mine, because you can find this video whenever you want on YouTube. So that's the end of the video. That's the end of the solutions for C4 January 2010. Let me send you the solutions. And finish the lesson for now.